Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this here 32-liter Ultralight Foldable Backpack for women and for men and so on. It's a lightweight hiking backpack, a folding backpack, a travel backpack, a day pack, a trekking backpack with a wet compartment for hiking and of course for traveling. And who's bringing this to us? BOLONI. Good old BOLONI brings this backpack to us. Okay, let's have a look what's going on here. This is a backpack with 36-liter lightweight Spacious hiking backpack for all outdoor adventures with a main compartment, a front pocket, a side mesh pocket, and an inner PVC wet compartment too. That's perfect as a hiking backpack for women. Hiking backpack for men. A backpack is really nice to use for every day. It's also suitable as a backpack in a small dimensions for hiking, for day activities or something else. And there is a wet and a dry compartment for the day pack. Integrated waterproof wet compartment for wet clothes, for towels or swimwear. It allows a backpack for outdoors, so you see it. You can go to the beach, for example, the whole day, and then you take your wet wear into the ready compartment there. So that everything remains hygienically separated, whether doing sports, hiking, or traveling. And comfortable and innovative carrying system. The ergonomic breathable shoulder straps, adjustable chest strap, and the padded bag area ensures the best comfort in this price range. It's left with a zipper pocket for mobile phone, and right with a drawer and the pocket for snacks. A light backpack is also a light backpack for ladies, so yeah. Or a backpack is really optimal for everyday use. The practical outdoor design here comes. This backpack for hiking offers the functional features: trekking pole holder, elastic front cord for jackets, reflective elements, side mesh pocket for the bottles, and floor straps or a tent or a sleeping mat. It's ideal as a hike pack or a backpack for hiking. Yeah, camping, trekking, and traveling. And it's foldable and ultra-light. That's really it for travel. Only 1.5 kilogram, roundabout, compact, stowable. A real folding backpack is ultra-light for you. Perfect in an ultra-light backpack position and where you need it. Always practical for everyday use or life, sports, outdoor, or of course for longer trips. As you need it, you can get it. A backpack, also a knapsack, or a school bag, or rucksack. A pack, a booksack, a book bag, a haversack, a packsack, or a bagsack is its simplest, frameless form, a fabric sack carried on one back and secured with two straps that go over the shoulders. But it can have an external or internal frame, and there are body packs. Here it comes. This is a backpack, a light backpack for everyday use, which we are going to use for traveling, for example, or hiking. BOLONI Ultra Light Backpack. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.